Are you looking to sell your home? Are you wondering how you can save or eliminate taxes altogether? Joining us on today's coffee break is Chartered Professional Accountant, Patrick Caffrey. Patrick, welcome.
Thank you, Sybil. Thank you for having me. Great to be here.
So Patrick, what are the tax consequences when someone sells their home and how can they avoid them?
Well, in general, for most Canadians, if you live in your home and it is your principal residence, you don't pay tax when you sell that home,
Yay!
Which is a great thing. The rules are, for a family unit, so for yourself and your spouse and your children under 18 years old, you all can have one housing unit exempt from tax.
So how about people who own more than one property?
When you own more than one property, such as a recreational property, it's possible that one or the other would be eligible for the principal residence exemption. The criteria is you have to ordinarily inhabit the property every year. So for someone who ordinarily inhabits both their primary home and their recreational property, both properties are potentially eligible for the principal residence exemption. However, they can only choose one property per year.
Okay, so can you maybe expand a little bit how that works? So if I own my home and a vacation property, and let's say I use that property every summer, for example, and I live the rest of the year in my primary residence, and let's say I've owned them both for 10 years, how would that work?
You would have to choose one property per year to be eligible for the principal residence exemption. So generally, the best planning is to choose the property with the highest amount of appreciation over that period of time, which in general is someone's principal residence. However, in today's environment, depending on your circumstances, it may be optimal to choose that recreational property, and it doesn't have to be for every year. You could choose certain years to at least prorate and defer or eliminate some of the tax.
And so viewers, as always, I recommend that you consult with your tax professional to find out which strategy makes the most sense for you before deciding which property to claim for this exemption. Where can people go for more information?
For more information, I would recommend going to canada.ca and looking up principal residence exemption. There are a lot of materials there that will help you and guide you with your planning.
And viewers, if you enjoyed this, want more tax tips and learn how to make smarter financial decisions, go to thewealthylife.com. And that's our coffee break. See you next time.